tuning in to NCE Prep with Portia, Part 9, Human Growth and Development. You must understand development from conception through late adulthood. Major development periods include prenatal, infancy, early childhood, middle childhood, adolescence, young adulthood, middle adulthood, and late adulthood. Key concepts about development are sequential and predictable, influenced by biology, environment, culture, and family, occurs across physical, cognitive, emotional, and social domains. Know the difference between growth, development, maturation, and learning as well. Major development theories. You must know the theories, stages, and core concept. Psychosexual development by Sigmund Freud. He had the oral, anal, phallic, and latency and genital stages. Lawrence Kohlberg's moral development has 3 levels: pre-conventional, conventional, and post-conventional. Know what happens in each stage. Erik Erikson's psychosocial development consists of 8 stages: trust versus mistrust, autonomy versus shame, initiative versus guilt, industry versus inferiority, identity versus role confusion, intimacy versus isolation, generative versus stagnation, and integrity versus despair. Jean Piaget's cognitive development stage consists of 4 stages: sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operational, and formal operational. Exam tip. Below I've listed important Piaget concepts to familiarize yourself with. John Bowlby and Mary Ainsworth has attachment theories. Attachment types are secure, avoidant, ambivalent, and disorganized. Albert Bandura's social learning theory. He believed that people learn through observation and modeling. Development milestones. You must know general ages related to changes. Infancy is 0 to 2 years old. Major developments are attachment, object permanence, walking, and language beginnings. Early childhood is 2 years to 6 years old. Development in this age range looks like language explosion, imagination, egocentrism, and parallel play. Middle childhood is ages 6 to 12 years old. Development includes academic competence, peer relationships, and self-concept. Adolescents have major changes such as puberty, identity formation, abstract thinking, and peer influence. Younger adulthood focuses on career, intimate relationships, and family formation. In middle adulthood, a key issue could be generative versus stagnation. In late adulthood, key tasks are life reflection, coping with loss, and physical decline. Within developmental factors, there are biological factors and environmental factors. In biological, there are genetics, brain development, and hormones. In environmental, we have parenting, culture, education, and socioeconomic status. Counselors must understand how trauma impacts development. Important topics are childhood trauma, adverse childhood experiences, and grief across lifespan. The effects can include attachment problems, emotional regulation issues, and behavioral problems. Here's a cheat sheet for review. Below I have listed theories and their focus. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 10.